get a, now it's funny, it's round, but it's not as sharp in some places as others. You can get your pizza cutter to cut like that, and all you have to do is just like this, turn it over, turn it again, turn it this way, and then like that, and you're done.
About that little guy.
Yep. A little key knife. Let's look. There. It's not too bad, but you have to coax it. And here's what we do. We just brush. Turn it over. Do it again. Light. I'm really pushing it when I stop in like 20 seconds. But you know what? I only need 20 seconds. That's sharp. It really is that simple.